So our topic is about spacing and ruling. First of spacing and ruling. Introduction to statistical theory. A proper and judicious use of spacing and ruling enhances the giveness of a table and help in separating or emphasizing certain item in it. These thick or double lines are used for emphasis and for separating the title, the box head, the stub, while part under and release under and downs and release columns are separated by thin or a single lines. Journal. There are some other considerations too that are enumerated below. First, a table should be a simple. First, a table should be a simple. A complex table, if possible, may broken into relatively simple table. A table should be simple, not complicated. And the second is units of measurements and nature of a data should be specified in title. In titles. इन टाइटल यूनिट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट जिनमें पैमाइश की जाएगी एंड द नेचर ऑफ अ डेटा शुड बी स्पेसिफाई इन टाइटल उनको टाइटल में लिखा जाएगा कैप्शंस में ईटीसी इन पैरेंथेसिस में सो यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट्स एंड द नेचर ऑफ द डेटा शुड बी स्पेसिफाई इन टाइटल्स कैप्शन एंड पैरेंथेसिस इस मीन दैट यूनिट्स जो मेजरमेंट के होंगे उनको उनकी जो डेटा की नेचर होगी उनको हम टाइटल्स के थ्रू लिखेंगे कैप्शन एंड पैरेंथेसिस में Percentage should be clearly indicated as percent of a total. Percentage should be clearly indicated as percent of a total, and their total should be shown as. Percentage को हम लिखेंगे टोटल के तौर पर और उनकी जो टोटल होगा उसको हम लिखेंगे 100.0. Percentage should be clearly indicated as percent of total and their total should be shown as 100. If the figures entered in the table are rounded off, अगर जो भी figures में हम digits रखेंगे इंटर्ट करेंगे फिगर अगर उनको हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे this should be indicated in the prefatory notes or in the stub or caption. उनको हम stub या caption में लिखेंगे. If the figure entered in the table are rounded off, if the figure entered in the table are rounded off, this should be indicated in the prefatory notes or in stub or caption. Zero need not be entered. Zero को हम enter नहीं करेंगे. Minus signs are a part of a table. And precede the number. नंबर से पहले लिखा जाएगा माइनस टेबल का पार्ट होगा. The relationship of the part to be whole should be shown by thin or heavy ruling. It just means that the relationship of the parts to a whole should be shown by thin or heavy ruling. The item or items to be emphasized should be placed in the most prominent position of the table. It means that the item or item to be emphasized should be placed in the most prominent position of the table. So the item or item to be emphasized should be placed in the most prominent position of the table. General sketch of the table is given below. Here will be the title, prefatory notes. If the figure entered in the table are rounded off, there should be indicated in the prefatory note on the stub or in the caption. Box head, stub, unit, body, and column caption. Okay. So this is an example of a spacing and ruling of the data in statistics. A table should be simple. Unit of measurement and nature of the data should be specified in title, caption, or in a parenthesis, and zero need not be entered.